Hello everyone. Today's video is all about our recent social service activity where four of us from the Seva Foundation group visited the Kallmani Gopbandhu Adarsha Old Age Home to serve healthy food to the elderly residents. As we all know, the elderly are often neglected and left alone, which can lead to health problems and loneliness. In order to bring a smile to their faces and show them that they are not forgotten, we decided to serve them nutritious meals and spend some quality time with them. Join us as we take you through our heartwarming experience and share the joy that comes from giving back to our community.
आप तो पूरा यंग